Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Melanie and I do a variety of videos including food hauls, beauty box unboxings, TK Maxx hauls, Superdrug hauls, Argos hauls, Boots hauls. I do beauty box unboxings, food subscription boxes. I also unbox things like watches and trainers. And today's video is Ted Baker trainer video. So if you like trainer type videos or sneakers or shoes, then stay tuned. So as you can see, it comes in this gorgeous box. I love all of Ted Baker's packaging. You definitely get what you pay for, so you pay a little bit extra but you get really good quality. So the box is kind of like a khaki off green grey colour, and it's got Ted Baker on the side. So I've already had a look at these because I just couldn't resist, but I will show them to you as well. So it comes in this like Ted Baker paper, I don't know if it's showing. And these are the trainers I bought. I think they're called the Kellei Trainers. They're absolutely stunning. They're like a white colour. It's not bright, well it is quite a, what is white? It's white and it's kind of like a textured grained leather, which I really like, especially if you're spending £110 on trainers. So if they do get scratched, you're not really going to see the scratch because obviously it's got the grained leather. So I feel like the grain on the sides is a lot heavier than on the front. That's more of a smoother grain type leather. Like you've bought smooth leather and you've walked them in a few times, that's the kind of feeling that's got. So as you can see, it's got the 6 eyelets up each side and they're a rose gold colour. And of course it's got the super cute bow at the front. Also, as you can see, there's ribbon, laces and normal laces. You can either keep them like that or you could take them out and have either the ribbon or the normal laces. I like them both, so I'm going to take one of them out, so eventually I will switch to the other ones. As you can see on the tongue, it says Ted Baker, and it's got the T there. Down the side, it's very plain as well. On the back it's got like a white tab to pull them on, and the absolute gorgeous Ted Baker there. So as you will have seen on the sides, they've got this printed flower detail. This was the selling point for me. I would have bought them anyway because I wanted a pair even if it was white and no design, but I think that really sets them apart from a lot of other footwear that's out at the moment. And at the bottom, on the sole, it says Ted Baker and it's got a T there as well. And it's got loads of little T's all the way down it. And inside, as you can see, it says Ted Baker and it's just got a lovely, lovely pattern. These trainers are leather. I wouldn't have bought them otherwise because it's a lot of money to spend on a trainer and then not be leather. So I have tried these on and they aren't true to size. Normally when I get trainers in my size, they fit me spot on. There are some brands that are slightly smaller, where I have to size up half a size, but these are slightly big and the size that I need is out of stock, but my toes go to about there, so there is a good inch gap, and I'm not willing to have that much gap. I know if you've got thick socks on, you need room, but they're going to be way too big for my feet, so I'm going to try and get a size down. So just remember, if you're ordering online like I did, it's better to size down by a size if possible, because I would say it's definitely a size too big. I just hope the size down isn't too small for me because that's a risk as well. But I did contemplate keeping them in the wrong size, but I know they're going to be coming off my feet and my feet are going to be moving around in them and it's just not going to be comfortable. So I would definitely recommend sizing down if you do get them. They're really, really lovely. I would highly recommend them. I'm going to wear them a lot. I can't justify getting them and wearing them a couple of times, so I had to make sure that I like them. So if I can get the size down, I'm going to keep them, so I would recommend keeping them. So that's it. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so you're alerted every time I upload a video. And any questions, leave them down below and I'll answer. I'm also going to be doing a matching blog post for my blog. My blog is always linked in the description bar, so if you want to go and have a look at that, because there might be something that you've seen on my channel and you want to know more about, so please check that out. And I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.